Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play your love on drums. We'll begin with the fundamental rock beat that underpins the entire song. Focus on a consistent rhythm, playing the hi-hat in eighth notes, the snare drum on the second and fourth beats, and the bass drum on the first and third beats. Aim for a steady tempo of around 124 beats per minute to capture the song's energy. This foundational groove is crucial for building the rest of the track. Moving into the verse, you'll largely stick to the basic rock beat we just covered. The key here is consistency and a solid feel. As you transition to the pre-chorus, introduce a subtle but effective open hi-hat on the end of beat 4. This small change adds a lift and builds anticipation for the chorus. Remember to keep your bass drum strong and steady, providing that essential rhythmic backbone throughout these sections. Now for the iconic chorus. This is where the energy really kicks in. You'll want to play a more open and driving hi-hat pattern, often opening it on the end of beat 2 to give it that signature shimmer. Don't forget to hit a strong crash cymbal on the very first beat of each new chorus phrase. This adds impact and helps define the song's most memorable section. Maintain a powerful, consistent feel here. As we approach the bridge, the drumming often becomes a bit more sparse, creating a sense of space before the final push. This is a great opportunity to add a short, tasteful drum fill, perhaps a quick 4-stroke roll, leading back into that powerful final chorus. For the outro, simply ride out the main chorus groove, gradually fading the dynamics as the song concludes. Focus on a smooth, controlled decrease in volume.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.